you've had a push bike. Inside together. Oh, if you get a cheap one, get tired for it. Okay.
Why would I get tired? Very pessimistic.
Realistic.
Pessimistic.
Realistic. Do you have any more David Lloyd passes left?
Yeah.
What are you taking?
Who am I taking it? You, yeah.
Good.
And then me. Yeah, because we need a badminton rematch.
We should go pro it as well.
Go pro.
Yeah. Film it.
Yeah.
So their website won't open. It's like you have to get in because, as you find out, they don't keep menus up to date anyhow. So it's no fucking point.
I could say sorry, but I don't have much to say. You won't believe me anyway. I got a thing for causing arguments, but in my defense, I'm scared to walk away. What I'm trying to say about me, I don't know me very well. If I'm acting like someone new, and what you got to say about us? Don't you see that I'm here, girl? If I'm acting like someone new, and what you got to say about us? Don't you see that I'm here to say you should start trusting me? suddenly I blinked and I was wet and it's grey.
Not all the way.
Inviting the demons in my head so that I can play. I wash away the feelings of regret away with free. Not so many ways that I can butter it and say I can only get on my hands and knees and I'll pray. I cannot believe the fucking day I had today, but I keep all of the aggression all out the way.
Losing sleep, losing pee, I've been on my lonelies. If only I could go to better days. Wide awake in the flats, fuck it up. Been on my jack, trying fame alone. Figuring a way to getting back. It was a normal Saturday. Manager acting a prick, see me, I was on my break. Back late, 1 minute, literally nothing. Big man had his hands up in my face, talking smack. Is he mad? I had to bang him in his face. And now I lost my job. What the fuck is this? Think I lost my wife, and she took my kids. Yo, she took my kids. She took my kids. What fucking prick? What prick?
Night sky and I'm taken away. Like suddenly I blinked and I was wet and it's grey. Inviting the demons in my head so that I can play. I wash away the feelings of regret away with free. Not so many ways that I can